Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the MeiLong 4M. This cube is $18 at Daily Puzzles and it's amazing for its value. The cube has frosted plastic, but it gets easy to grip over time. The turning is sandy out of the box, but the cube is really good when it comes to turning. I can gain lots of TPS when I'm doing PLL parity, and the outers have weaker magnets for 3x3 stage, but the inners have strong magnets. I set the cube up with DNM37 and weight 5, and the cube feels really good. The cube is really similar to the RSCM 2020, so if you want to know how to set up the MeiLong M4x4, just go to the RSCM 2020 setup video. The cube can come 45 degrees with setup, which is really amazing. And reverse is about half a cubey. So would I recommend this cube to anyone? Yes. As long as you don't have an insane cube, you're all good. This cube is amazing when setup is done. But anyways, I'm pretty sure I missed something, so please let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys later.